Mazda offers remote start via both the key fob and connected services. The key fob uses RF signals for short-range starts within about 300 feet. Connected services through the My Mazda app use cellular data for potentially unlimited range, though they require a subscription. Both methods allow you to start your car remotely to preheat or cool it. This feature is standard or optional on most 2024-2025 models, like the Mazda 3, CX-5, and CX-90. Mazda's remote start includes safety features to prevent misuse, like automatic shutoff after 10 to 15 minutes. It also disengages upon door opening or brake activation. To use remote start with the key fob, first ensure your Mazda is in park with all doors locked and no keys inside the vehicle. Press the lock button on the key fob twice quickly to arm the system. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button, which has a circular arrow icon, for 2 to 3 seconds until the lights flash and the engine starts. For the My Mazda app, first pair the app with your Mazda account and enable remote access features. Use the Start Engine feature in the app, which requires an active Mazda Connected Services subscription. The app also supports scheduling for features like pre-warming your vehicle on cold mornings. The system automatically checks for safety conditions like low fuel or an open hood and will abort the start if unsafe.